Where's Mima? Can you go find Mima? Where is she? What are you doing? Uh-oh. Ha! We caught you!
Go hi! Ambry! Ambry Claire!
Where did you go? Hey! Ambry? Aha! Hey, can you go see Mima? Ambry, silly bum. Whoa! That was a pretty good bonk. You okay? Do you need mommy kiss it better? What did you hurt? Do you want me to kiss it better? Is it all better now?
Say hi!
Can you say hi?
Can you do your hand on the...
Again? Where are you?
Again? You're gonna run again?
Where are you going?